Yes, this is heavy as hell.
Proteinworks are a sports nutrition brand selling meal replacements, protein powders and supplements. They reached out to us with a new campaign idea for their January 2024 launch. They essentially wanted to create a point of view, day in the life video with a bank of lifestyle clips featuring models in a home location. We've already tackled a POV video campaign in the past and we're well versed with the technical complications involved. We shared that previous project, which immediately reassured the brand team that we knew their vision and could execute. So this was a one-day shoot using every room in a house in Manchester. The morning consisted of the main POV hero video, for which I was the operator and the model featured. They didn't force me to be the model. I volunteered because I knew how challenging it was to operate the helmet camera, and I just wanted to make sure we got the framing correct.
Yes, this is heavy as hell.
I had an assistant helping rig the camera and lighting equipment, with Jazz ticking off the shot list, making sure we remained on schedule. We covered the whole POV video, featuring multiple outfit changes, filming inside and outside in just a handful of hours. At lunchtime, a bunch of fitness influencers arrived and we began shooting some lifestyle-led stills and video featuring the Proteinworks product line. It was important for the brand team to get as much content as possible to help maximise their investment. This is something we strive for as much as practically possible, as we believe the days of one video and done are long gone. We then got back to the edit suite, and a few days later we had a first cut with a bank of assets to be drip fed online for months to come. Boom!